Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be solving one of the most annoying problems that I have on the E90 M3, and that is going to be the struts for the trunk. These things have like absolutely no gas left in them, and like literally there should be some resistance pushing the trunk back down, but there's like none at all. And then even when you open it, it shouldn't just immediately like fall back down. I don't know how good of a view that is, but yeah, these things are completely shot on both sides. So we have the new ones right here. For this, we're only gonna need a small flathead to get in there, and then probably a needle nose to just pull them off. So we're gonna go ahead and do it one side at a time. So let's get into it. Alright, so first things first, you'll see right here there's a clip. It'll focus. And then you just take your flathead right underneath the clip and pop it up. Same thing with the one that is down here. All you do, there's a small little groove, you just push it in, and then I believe actually this one you could probably get from right here, and then kind of just pull either down or out once your flathead catches, and like that. And then the clip should pop off, and you should be able to go ahead and remove this, and then do the same thing up here, remove that, and then pop in the new strut. So I already popped off the bottom one, and the top one should also be popped off. These have stickers on them, so I'm going to go ahead and take them off. Alright, so the stickers for that just got taken off. So this, just to make sure this is the right side. I guess it doesn't really matter. That's the right side though. That should pop off. That one pops off. Put that one aside. This should, in theory, just click on. And this. Alright, perfect. So that side's installed. Now we're going to go ahead and move on to the other side, which it should just be the exact same thing. Just flathead to the bottom of this. Should move up, that should pop out, and then this we can also potentially do the same thing. Just like that. That one's popped out. So now new one right here, and then this should just do the same thing. Pop on there. Pop on there. Everything is good. Everything's set. Now let's see what the difference is. Alright, so this is the difference. I already kind of tested a little bit. There's like way more resistance. Like this thing will not even close until I get it like all the way down. And it basically just like pushes itself back up. The old ones would not do that. Literally you could drop it from like way up here and it would just fall and just smack against. So it feels very solid now. And then as soon as I push it, it goes up. So that is all fixed for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me replacing the gas struts on the E90 M3.